Uses of nitric acid. Industrial uses. Fertilizer production. Nitric acid is a crucial component in the manufacture of ammonium nitrate, NH4NO3, a widely used nitrogen-based fertilizer. Ammonium nitrate provides essential nutrients to plants and promotes their growth. Explosives and propellants. Nitric acid is a key ingredient in the production of explosives and propellants. It is used in the synthesis of explosives such as nitroglycerin and TNT, trinitrotoluene, and in the formulation of rocket propellants. Chemical manufacturing. Nitric acid is used as a reagent and catalyst in various chemical manufacturing processes. It plays a role in the production of chemicals like adipic acid, used in nylon production, nitrobenzene, used in the manufacture of aniline and dyes, and various pharmaceuticals. Metallurgy. Nitric acid is employed in the metal processing industry for tasks such as etching metals, passivation of stainless steel, and refining precious metals like gold and platinum. Mining. In the mining industry, nitric acid is used to leach metals from ores, particularly in the extraction of copper and uranium. Agricultural chemicals. Nitric acid is used in the production of various agricultural chemicals, including herbicides, insecticides, and fungicides. Pickling and metal cleaning. In metalworking and surface treatment, nitric acid is used for pickling and cleaning metal surfaces to remove rust, scale, and contaminants. Dyes and pigments. Nitric acid is used in the production of dyes, pigments, and intermediates for the textile and dye industries. Food processing. Nitric acid can be used for food processing applications, such as pH control and sterilization in the production of certain food products. General uses of nitric acid. Education. Nitric acid is used in educational settings, particularly in chemistry and science classrooms, to demonstrate various chemical reactions and concepts to students. Art conservation. In the field of art conservation, nitric acid can be used to remove old varnishes and restore paintings. It is employed by conservators to repair and preserve artworks. Archaeology. Nitric acid is used in the preservation and analysis of archaeological artifacts. It can help uncover details on ancient metal objects and coins. Medicine. Although not a direct medical application, nitric oxide is a molecule derived from nitric acid that plays a crucial role in regulating blood vessel dilation and blood pressure. NO is used in the medical field to develop medications for cardiovascular conditions. Photography. In historical photography processes, nitric acid was used as part of the chemical formulation for developing and fixing photographs. Electronics. In the electronics industry, nitric acid may be used for cleaning and etching certain electronic components and printed circuit boards.